All right, welcome back. We are on level 3 of lesson 8 on sprites. So this one is a debug level. This program should create two new sprites, one on the left of the screen and one on the right, but it's only drawing one. You do not need to add any code, just rearrange the code already present to make sure that both sprites show up like the picture on the right. So I'm going to close my toolbox. I don't need to drag anything from it, and I don't need to get confused. All right, so we have, okay, variable left sprite create 100, 200. Variable right sprite create 300, 200. I think this one right here, this yellow draw sprites, ooh, making doubles here. I think this needs to go up and then the draw sprites needs to be at the bottom. I'm guessing, as you can see, all of my bubbles are white, so I'm doing this with you. Let's press run and see what happens. All right, there we go. So we have our left sprite and our right sprite. It looks just like the picture. So we've done what we need to do. I'm going to click finish and I'll see you on the next level.